proven record of winning verdicts and settlements on behalf of our clients. The Doyle Dennis LLP Maritime Team is composed of experienced and knowledgeable maritime and admiralty attorneys, including offshore injury lawyers and maritime amputation injury attorneys. They have a proven track record of success in securing jury verdicts and confidential settlements for their clients, and are dedicated to helping those who have suffered work-related injuries in offshore accidents get the justice and compensation they are entitled to. Our attorneys are skilled in evaluating jurisdiction and determining the best course of action for each case, taking into account the different bodies of water and the types of injuries involved. They are prepared to pursue your claim through all available legal channels, including a jury trial if necessary. At Doyle Dennis LLP, we are dedicated to fighting for the rights of injured maritime workers. As experienced maritime lawyers, we understand the unique challenges and dangers that maritime workers face when working on the coastal waters of Texas and the Gulf of Mexico. We have extensive experience handling complex maritime injury cases involving closed head injuries, burn injuries, crush injuries, and other catastrophic injuries, and we are prepared to help you gather and evaluate the medical records and other evidence needed to support your claim. Our maritime attorneys are skilled in negotiating with insurance companies and other parties to secure a fair and favorable settlement on your behalf, and we are prepared to take your case to trial if necessary to obtain the justice and compensation you deserve under the Jones Act. We are committed to ensuring that our clients receive the medical treatment and compensation they need and deserve, and will work tirelessly to ensure that they receive the medical improvement and case resolution they need to recover from their injuries. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you with your maritime injury case. Representing injured maritime workers and their families. Employees that suffer injuries while working offshore or in another maritime capacity for the following companies may be able to pursue a Jones Act claim for their employer's negligence. Our attorneys can help you understand what you are entitled to by the law and what companies must provide after a life-changing injury or accident. Maritime lawyer. Maritime accidents are often unforeseen and unfortunately common due to working with large machinery and in difficult conditions. Even passengers on cruise ships face unforeseen personal injury. Maritime workers are not usually protected by state workers' compensation laws, but they are protected by a variety of federal acts and laws that ensure they receive proper treatment and compensation in the unfortunate case of impersonal injury. As admiralty law cases fall under federal jurisdiction, important rights are given under federal law such as the Jones Act, the Longshore and Harbor Workers' Compensation Act, LHWCA, the Death on High Seas Act, the Outer Continental Shelf Lands Act, OXLA, the Defense Base Act, Seaworthiness, the Suits in Admiralty Act, the Public Vessels Act, the Limitations of Liability Act, the Non-Appropriated Fund Instrumentalities Act, and other general maritime rules and regulations. We discuss most of these federal laws and statutes further under the page labeled Maritime Workers' Rights, which, as attorneys with decades in experience in maritime law cases, we can help you understand where your potential case falls under and what your employers are